Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand form controls list box in Excel. So to use list box in Excel, it is necessary that your developer option is active. How to activate it? Go in File, Options, Customize Ribbon. In Popular Commands, in Main tabs, make sure that your developer option is ticked mark. Click OK. Now activate from here the form controls list box. Drag it and drop it. Right click on it, format the control, specify the input range, cell link, click OK. Now see, whenever I'll click on any month, it will display the number January 1st. That is the month is 1st, or February, March, July, September. So this is how you can use form controls list box in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.